Well, hello,
Hello,
fellow
hello.
Java Walker friends. Here we are in Portimao, more specifically Old Town Portimao, and we're excited to do this little bit different sort of video today. Rather than doing an edited type of story, we're just going to walk through Old Town Portimao and show you the raw footage of what it's like down here. Just keep it really simple. We're going to try to keep this very short, not so long, but to give you an idea of what Portimao, Portugal, in the Algarve, what it looks like in the Old Town area.
Yeah, it'd be just like you walking through these towns. So we're your eyes and your camera for you. So come along, join us every week, midweek, Thursday, and we're going to introduce a new town, little village and every week.
This is what we're doing while we're here in Portugal, and we're here for a long ways.
Come along and join us. Come for the walk and the job.
Welcome to a new adventure with Java Walker World. Today we bring you Portugal, one of the top tourist destinations for travelers. Portugal's culture, history, nature, and diverse landscape are just a few reasons why travelers are drawn to this beautiful country. So stay with us as we visit outstanding Portuguese beaches, ancient cities, quaint villages, and savor the marvelous food, wine, and coffee. Come walk with us.
Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
Here we are. To just give you an idea, it's Saturday, January 13th. It's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Keep in mind that the people here in Portugal tend to eat their supper very, very late. 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. And that's what's going on. So things are pretty quiet. And I'm going to be quiet and let you take a look.
You can go up that hill.
I bet you this looks really nice in the evening time, and I will mention that as I'm walking through here, we have been approached by, I guess, homeless people, panhandlers, which we haven't seen that in the other areas of Portimao where we're staying, so we were a little surprised. But I bet you in the summertime this is pretty lively. Oh, hey little kitty. Yes, oh, aren't you cute? So this is the true patina of Portimao.
So Old Town Portimão is off of a bay or a river. I will put on the screen what the name of the river is. The pretty tiles are pretty, aren't they?
hope you are enjoying this sort of different format we've got going on here, which will be posted on Thursdays. If you do like it, please give us a thumbs up so that we know you enjoyed this format. And
it's going to be our first try at it, so as you can see, it's raw. As we go along, it should get better, more raw.
yeah, we're figuring it out. But if you liked it, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe, and we'll see you on Sunday as well. And don't forget, we are on Instagram and Facebook. On Instagram, it is Instagram at Java Walker World, and on Facebook, it is Facebook at Java Walker. Okay, let's continue this walk. There's a playground.
Places just sitting there? Oh, there, the one right by the TV. Where did you live? Boy, it's packed now. Oi.
É os ossos. É o PDI da cara. O PDI.
Uh-oh.
If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel. Hit that like button, send a comment, share this video with a friend. In the meantime, check out our socials, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, and Facebook for the latest daily tidbits.